Okay, guys, when you're applying the distance formula, please remember one thing. Now, suppose if I do that, question number 1, part A. Now, this is for the sharper, the smarter people. Please see this. All of you can be smarter doing this mathematics, practicing mathematics, okay? This is Q, that is 6, comma 1. Now, suppose you want to find the distance PQ, okay? And you see that this is your, let me put here, this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. So now when you find that this distance, this is going to be x2 minus x1, this is 6 minus minus 4, that is 10. So this is going to be 10 squared plus, then you have 1, this is y2 minus y1, 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. So there is no use of writing that minus 5 over here because you know that there is a square over here. So if you write that minus 5, you see that you will have to write it as this 10 square and then minus 5 square. So it is like wasting your time, okay? So you know that since you have to square this, so please avoid writing that minus. And sometimes when you're finding this minus 5 square from the calculator, by mistake, you people write it as minus 25 because this had to be a minus 25 square. So if you want to save your time, please don't write these minuses here. Just remember that you have to square that and that square will always result as a positive number. So this is going to be the square root of 125 and then you can find it value. Like, have we done search so far, bacho, or not? I think we haven't done that. Otherwise, you must be knowing that how to write this as 5 under root 5. Anyhow, going towards the third question.
Sir, हमें O level में पता था कि 5 under root 5 लिख सकते हैं.
But I think if you've done your add maths, then you must be knowing this. Otherwise, normal math people don't know this. We'll be doing that, inshallah, very soon. Okay, the third question says that there's a point P, which is a comma minus 1. And there is a point Q, which is 5 comma, sorry, minus 5 comma a. And we're given that the distance between these 2 points, the distance PQ is 4 under root 5. This is 4 under root 5. So we're going to find the value of this, the possible values of this A. Okay. So guys, PQ is going to be, now we'll have to use the brackets here because this is like there's unknown over here. So this P, this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. Now x2 minus x1 is basically minus 5 minus a. When you have to square this, I have told you the square of this or the square of this are the same. Please avoid getting confused, and I'll simply be writing this as 5 plus a whole square. Please ask me if you have to ask anything here. Any point, any problem here? This is a plus 1 whole square. Yes? This is 4 under root 5 whole square. So instead of writing this as minus 5 minus a, I have changed that with 5 plus a. Okay? I'll be squaring both the sides and I have 5 plus a whole square, and this is a plus 1 whole square, and this is going to be 16. 4 square is 16, under root 5 square is 5. 16 5s are, this is going to be 16 into 5. Okay, now we expand it, the squares here, so we should get 25 plus 10. Many people make a mistake while expanding the squares, okay? And this is plus a squared plus 2a plus 1, that is equal to 80, okay? Don't try to be hasty here. This is 2a squared, this is plus 12a, this is 26 minus 80. So we have 2a squared plus 12a minus 54. You can cancel, you can simplify, you can take 2 as common. So this is a square plus 6a minus 27. So when you factorize this, you get a plus 9 into a minus 3. So the two values of a are minus 9 and 3. Okay, bacho? So that is how you have to apply this distance formula to get to this result. ठीक है?